Dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
Hello, everybody. Today I thought I'd do something a little different. So this is getting released on Saturday, but as of today, I got an email. This is really dumb, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to address it because I feel like it, and it's on my mind, and I need to talk about it. So, I got a message on my last video, got a comment, and the guy did not like what I did. He thought it was stupid. He used other words, but he thought it was stupid, and he thought the title of my channel is stupid because I call myself the Dollist guy, and he says, and his reasoning is because I'm a feeble old man who can't figure out how to use a DAW. And I kind of said, well, I guess you haven't seen some of my videos. I have used DAWs before. I choose not to. So I wanted to address this because, and he got a little bit piled up on by by other people, and and that's fine. As long as you don't go nasty with it, I understand. That's fine. But I just wanted to address this because I think it's funny when he says he called me feeble and feeble-minded, and I bet you 100% I have done more things with my brain than he has in his entire life, and it's all because, and this is all because I had some fun, and I turned myself into a drum machine. Nothing. It was the dumbest thing, but that's what he got upset about. It made me laugh. Well, it made me laugh, and then it kind of annoyed me. It's like, oh, you don't even know who I am, but you feel you're superior to me because you called me feeble-minded. And the thing is, yeah, like computers. Oh, computers are scary. I have been programming computers for over 40 years. I started on a Commodore VIC-20. I have went through everything. I have written inventory systems. I have written accounting systems. I have written banking systems. I have written for all these different things. I have done the inventory system I wrote from scratch. I wrote from scratch for a company that I used to work for. The accounting systems, I worked with a guy to do that. I switched it from what he had it written in to something which was more modern. I did all this stuff. It's insane. It is absolutely insane. No, I'm not afraid of DAWs. Here's why I don't use a DAW. I find them distracting. There's too much on them. There's too many things you can sit there for days changing one thing. There's the other problem is it's on a computer, you get distracted and you start doing other things. You start looking at things. So you get distracted by it. I just don't find it fun. I don't enjoy it. It's not the same thing as when I'm sitting in front of just a mixer or something, and then I just do what I want to do. It's also my job. I don't want to look at a TV screen all the time. And oh no, scary computer. I edit videos. Holy smokes. Whoa. So just baloney like this. The other thing is, honestly, dude, if you really want to try something hard, grab a cassette 4-track and record a song on it. Try that. Try it. If you feel that you are so great at what you do, and that, because I use I use DAWless machines, I don't want to use a DAW, and that's because of my feeble mind. I want you to grab a 4-track, and record a song on it. And if you don't believe that I have, look at my list of repertoire that I've recorded, all the songs I've recorded with them. Look at all the videos I've done with them. Like, I would say that I am not feeble-minded at all. That I like to experiment and go further than what the normal person would. Like, I'm trying to encourage other people to do the same. Go further. Go further with what you do. Don't stick with the tried and true. Go further. And I think that's what a lot of us on these YouTube channels are doing. We want you to go further. We want you to do stuff that you may not have tried. But if you feel I'm feeble-minded because of my 40 plus years experience on computers, and all because I don't want to use a DAW, remember, it's I don't want to. It's not that I can't, it's that I don't want to. There's a difference. There's a huge difference. I would rather work on one of these little guys or something, just because these are more fun. That's why. Computer's a computer. Computer is like just a screen and a keyboard. You know, who cares? Wow. So that's my video today. And yeah, I'll get back into stuff. I got a show this weekend. I got a show next weekend, and I don't think I'm gonna get any time to make any videos again this week. So we'll see. But that's my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you agree with me, make comments. If you disagree with me, make comments. I'll hear it. Talk to you later. Bye.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert.